What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about two upcoming features that are serious sauce that's going to be coming to FL Studio 21, okay? The first feature is crossfades. So now you can go into your audio clips and just directly put a crossfade in, which is awesome. Normally you'd have to double click it, go to generic bleeding in the declicking mode to get something similar. This is just right in the clip now, which it should have always been, but at least it is now, which is pretty sauce. All right. Now, another thing that you got that is huge, is tags over in the browser. So we can categorize our sounds now, finally. You can have an area for your favorite sounds, for MIDI, for plugins, all sorts of super dope sauce right over here in the browser. Is going to be some crazy workflow tips, all right? Now, another new feature that they have is if you go to file settings, under this backup, you can actually have it save every minute now. So if you're super paranoid about your projects crashing, put that on very frequently, every minute before risky operations. I'm gonna keep mine on every 5 minutes because I'm not that worried about it. But if you are, I know there are people out there that are. You can do that. So we're gonna talk more about all of the new features in the upcoming videos, but I just wanted to let you know that FL Studio 21 is coming, and you can actually download the beta/alpha yourself with the link in the description. You have to have an ImageLine account, of course, but you can download it and go to town on any projects that you want. But be careful, there will be a lot of bugs. It is an alpha/beta. It's not a full release of FL Studio 21. Keep that in mind. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Click the link down in the description, download that, let me know what you think of it. We're going to be going crazy when this comes out. All right, y'all, make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.